Thank you. Is this safe?
Ready? Yeah. You got this. We got high guns catching. All right, guys, and welcome to Mako right now. We're on Mako. We just got off of Man. We're gonna try Mako right now. This is another one of them crazy roller coasters, so we'll give it a shot. Woo! Look at all that mess over there. That's just crazy, guys. All right, let's give it a shot. And if you guys hate heights like me, you're gonna love this. Woo! Man, man, man. Oh yeah, this is just plain crazy, guys. Holy! Yeah, so Morgan, these are definitely worse than the Kraken, guys. Holy moly. You know that one?
Yeah.
I might have to adjust that video a little bit, but these are sick roller coasters, guys. And this is where we disembark. And I'm in here right now, and it's a 5-minute wait to get on this ride. So if you guys haven't ridden it, sometimes early in the morning you get right on these things. I just went on the Manta, and I think that was, it said 20, but I think I was on it in like maybe 12. So I'm gonna try to get over right now to the Kraken again. I gotta hit the icebreaker and then fly over to the Penguin Trek. And I only have a couple hours to do this because I gotta pick up the kids from school today.
Well, there was like 3 big drops. And
here we go, guys. See you on the next one.